Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video on the new Sassy Sauce Polish nail polish releases for the month of July. From Sassy Sauce Polish sent me her newest collection that will be releasing on July 18th at 11 AM CST, and as always, or as I usually do, I do have a swatch video for you on all 4 of these polishes. This time we also have one thermal and a glitter topper, and I really enjoy her polishes in general, so I do hope that you will like this video and the swatch portion. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. In general, I really enjoy Carrie's nail polishes. Her formulas are on spot and these polishes are no exception, so I would definitely recommend you trying out anything out of these 4 or whatever you find on her website. For the most part, you won't be disappointed. Her polishes are really good. If you do have any questions on anything, just leave them for me in the comment section, but I will link for you everything that I can in the description box. Alright, I think that's probably it for this quick intro. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Keep watching to the swatch portion and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.